Okay, this video is all for you, the viewer. I'm gonna go river rafting, I'm gonna tell you my experience, and I'm gonna tell you and show you what goes down when you go river rafting through a company or through like having a guide. Wet Planet is the largest rafting company here on the White Salmon. There are two other raft companies, Zoilers and River Drifters. So there's three, Wet Planet, big, Zoilers, small, River Drifters, small. Wet Planet is only good if you have like a group of 80, 100, because you have a wedding or something. I'll go through Wet Planet because they have enough boats and enough guides in order to sustain that large number. But if you're just a couple people, any of those three companies will work. Again, my experience is brought to you. I'm gonna bring the GoPro down in the river. I'm gonna show you all the gear that they give me and all that stuff. And I'm gonna tell you if I liked it, or if it was gnarly, or if it was scary, or anything like that. So just watch this video and you'll know if you wanna go river rafting. Okay, you're gonna see the highest commercially rafted waterfall in the US. This is on the White Salmon. You can do this. This is crazy. Okay, look at that. Oh yeah, I'm on a bridge. But look at that thing. If you want, you can raft this. Okay, I'm gonna move because it's so loud. You can raft it, but they only run it at lower waters. So you have to be here July, August, September, and then you can run that. If you want to run it, then you should call before making an appointment and see if the water is low enough, and just ask them, are you running Hewsome Falls? That's called Hewsome Falls. Now I'm back in my car. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave the camera in the car because I feel weird with everybody checking in and all that. I don't want to be filming up in there all their space and then they're like, oh, are you gonna post this, and then like have an issue. So I'm just gonna leave the camera. I'm gonna go, you just sign a waiver. I'm gonna sign the waiver, and then they give like a little like spiel. This is what we're gonna do. I'll tell you what we're gonna do though. And then we'll get our clothes. You get a wetsuit, and you get a fleece, and you get a splash jacket. Rage.
There's more?
I don't know, I guess it's the guides up here, whoever.
Okay. Hey, what's up?
Hey, Laurel.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Yes.
Yeah, say cute.
No, I'm not.
No.
The dude works here.
Kinda.
Kinda
works.
Dude.
There he is, I see him.
He's
Yeah,
1
we're
minute.
going to the river!
He's handing out paddles for the other trip.
If you look down at the river, you're not going to stay in touch with everyone. So just trust that the river will be there. Look. So that's paddling. We're going to practice all that, so don't worry about it too much. So now I'm going to talk about what to do if you fall out. Alright, if you fall out, get back in. Alright, let's go rafting. That's rafting in a nutshell. Fall out, actively try to save yourself, stay calm. I know it says stay calm on that list, but
It does say stay
I've
calm.
never seen that actually work. Try not to panic. Cold shock. You're doing great. I've got it weirded.
Cool. Thanks.
Thank you. That was the best trails day I ever had. Don't go any further. Step in the
Wait.
raft from there.
You want to get in the raft?
Oh!
It drops off to like 5 feet right there.
Yeah, no thanks.
It's free to come out here and swim down the river.
Thanks, pay for that!
Alright guys, have fun out there.
All right.
We ready? paddles up here with me. Gingerly touch your tips. On the count of 3, All right, paddle forward. And stop. We're backwards, right off the start. Get down! What? Get down, damn it! Get up! Paddle forward! What? Keep going, keep going! Stop! And paddle. Paddle forward! Stop!
Am I in too far?
Alright, left side, back paddle. Left side, back paddle, yeah.
I'm not even going to the left side.
And stop there. And paddle forward.
That wasn't in the paddle briefing.
And stop there, yeah. But I sprung the paddle all the way to the bottom. You ready?
Yeah.
Go, go, go! Keep going! And stop. Alright, that one deserves a high five. Good job. High five. Paddle forward. And stop.
We got the Halo waterfall.
Look, drinking water.
Little Western. That was my first ever river. My granddad took us down that. And I thought he was amazing for that. But thinking back, he was really bad. We got stuck on a lot of rocks, and that's a very easy river.
Yeah, we were like, we're gonna go left and hard.
It looked like a super bad idea because it was one. It was very fun. You guys are gonna fall out here in a second. Alright, guys, paddle forward. Paddle, 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 go. Paddle, paddle, go. Paddle, paddle, go. Keep going, keep going. Keep going, keep going. Stop there. Paddle forward. And stop there. Hey, save him.
Ready?
You dropped your paddle.
Hold on.
Dylan, you don't have to put their heads in your crotch. That was not in the training video.
Yeah. Oh, we gained the passenger.
You see any fish down there?
All right, forward. All right, brother.
This is for you. Alright.
How are you doing? Fly back in the boat. Come on. This is not a swimming trip, it's a rafting trip.
They're all smiling.
This is y'all's paddle. Paddle, dude. It's yours.
They took your spare?
They took our spare. I gave them our spare.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you guys took my spare. I don't need it, it's fine. My ladies don't drop their paddles. Hey guys, good job on that rescue there.
Oh my god!
I didn't say stop! Paddle! You can stop paddling now.
You got your snack?
wanted to show y'all this big hole.
We don't have to look at what's coming.
Go, go, go. It's called the staircase of death. Harder! Faster! And stop there. Good job.
Hell no.
It's kind of like getting beat up in the... Alright, you guys go on out there to the right. I don't know why we don't just like raft that line. That'd be hilarious.
It'd be gnarly though, huh?
Get down, wham.
Oh, we got your boat all muddy. Whenever you land, pencil dive and try to like watch your arms. If you do this, I've had a few people dislocate shoulders and stuff. Yeah. We were like 25 feet up. You know? If you need me. All right. Oh yeah. Uh-oh. It goes.
Not.
Just a little bit.
Alright, stop showing off. Lights on, hanging bow stern draw. Perfect.
Oh, they almost had some swimmers there.
Clean right, clean right. And paddle forward. Stop. Down. Down. Get up.
Exercise club.
And stop there, lean back.
I don't want to!
Where'd the dentist go?
That was record time, get it back! Get him! We both grabbed one of his feet.
After with you.
Alright.
Did okay.
That thing upside down on top of the raft!
Let's flip this son of a bitch over. Alright, be ready for a jump left, okay?
Oh, real?
Paddle forward. Paddle hard. Go, 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 go. Jump left.
Just flip.
Bye bye.
They missed the takeout. We didn't.
Q must have not slept too well. I expected to see you guys in the river a lot more than you were. You must be a little... Well,
Some of us, I don't know. Yeah, some of us don't know. Anyways, now we're gonna tie you for after and we'll get out of here in a second.
All right, that was awesome.
Don't get the van wet.
yeah, you guys picked a great
Yeah, because there was a lot of, it was slow.
Wider range.
I got this big leg. Can't see my legs.
Spring, just multi-day trips back to back. It was awesome. It's like a high desert run in Southeast Oregon.
I would recommend this to you. I would go with any of the companies, honestly. It doesn't really matter. And there's a couple like class 4s, there's a class 5 waterfall. If you want to run this class 5 waterfall, the highest commercially rafted waterfall in the US, it's like 6, 7, 8 feet tall, something like, maybe it's not 9 feet tall. It is insane. The water levels have to be correct. So call before you go to make sure they're running Hewsome Falls. If you're going with a raft company, call them and just ask them, be like, hey, are you running Hewsome Falls? And be like, yes, we are. And then you'd be like, sick. That's only if you want to do it. You don't have to do it. You have the option to walk around. And so that's pretty incredible. They give you everything that you need: booties, wetsuits, fleeces, splash jackets, helmets, life jackets, any of that stuff. They give it all to you. And then at the end, you just change, go into your dry clothes, and they clean it. They do everything. They hang it back up. They dry it. And it is super easy. It's about 4 hours and it's 45 minutes, an hour of getting dressed, getting up to the put-in. And then it's like 2-ish hours of rafting, a little bit more. And then the shuttle picks you up at the bottom and they drive you back to the base where your car is. And then you pretty much change. Like I said, they clean everything for you. This is an amazing experience, and you don't have to know how to swim. You don't have to be super comfortable with the water. It's all really safe and all really doable. And I could recommend this to anyone, no matter your skill level with water and moving water. Some people, it is a little bit gnarly, just for their personal. It is kind of gnarly just for some people, and just personal. It's a personal thing, and because they're really scared of water and that, and that's fine. You don't have to do it. There are easier rivers around the area that you can run with commercial rafts. If you have any questions, you can comment below, and I will answer each and every question. So if you want to challenge me, add a lot of comments, and I will comment back. The other thing you can do is just like this video if you want to, and you can subscribe if you also feel like it. You don't have to, but it would really help me if you like the video, and if you just comment. It helps the YouTube algorithms push my video out to more people. I'm trying to get monetized right now. I have enough subscribers. I just need some more watch hours in order to get some money off of YouTube. So any help from you all, the viewers, that would be amazing to help me get monetized. And yeah, I don't know what else to say. So thank you for watching.